I'm now gonna give a talk on keeping passion alive.
Wow.
Okay, now, you realize we're all over 18 years old. I am over 18 times 2. Yes, I'm sorry, Mitch. I'm even over 18 times 3.
Huh?
Oh, Dr. Lingoy. Yeah, I'm over 18 times 3. I'm over 60. Oh, diba? So,
Nice video.
Times 4.
times 4. I'm gonna bite you na, Lingoy, ha? So that's Photoshop. So if you're wondering, this is what you see in person and what you see there is Photoshop. So other than keeping passion alive, I'm going to be specific and Olan loves this. I talk about intimate moments. And this is not for women only because it takes Maribeth, both the guy and the girl, to be intimate, right? You can't have a bunch of intimate women with no male partners. And Olan's like, I'm here. So Olan, you've been dying to tell us. What's the passion in your life? Your wife's not here, you can tell us, and we won't tell her.
Sige na,
Come on, Olen. Oh, sige, Moni wants to know. Come on, Olen. Come on, look at this face. Look at
What
this
kind of
face.
passion are you talking about?
But the keenest passion you can think of, the intimate passion.
Intimate. I keep that secret.
Okay, the one that's not secret. What brings passion? What lights up your life? What makes you feel so alive when you wake up in the morning? And Olan's like, oh,
Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee. You know?
Oh my God!
And so that's Maribeth reacting. If coffee is the only thing that...
Well, 10 years ago I could have given you a quick answer, but now that I'm 71, you know,
Okay,
I slowed down a lot.
you slow down a lot. Then I will give you the first lesson for today. It takes more than stick and hold to bring intimacy. Maribeth, true or false?
Sorry, ask me later.
You're being intimate with your cell phone, you pathetic excuse for existence. Now that already.
It vibrates.
Ay, it vibrates.
See, now you know.
Okay, so all of you, you're going to send messages to Maribeth one word at a time. That's gonna keep it vibrating on it. Lingo, you're so
I
brilliant.
have to change much.
It can't vibrate.
Okay. She might think,
Until I react enormously.
would you want to show the face again? Okay, guys, look. Can you show us the react again?
No.
And I know she says react. Stuart, you're blushing. She hasn't done anything yet. You want her to sit beside you?
Oh no.
It's better than having Peps and Tito beside you. I mean, not really.
Safer.
It's safer. So really, that's my question. What turns you on? I mean, what makes you feel alive? You see people, they're like, oh, what's new? Wala lang. What's up? Usual.
Morning, afternoon, or night?
O sige, what part of your day brings you most passion, Lingoy?
Iba-ibang klaseng passion.
O sige, tell me your 3 passions. Your morning, your afternoon, and your night passion. Sige, game.
See, when you wake up in the morning, your circulation is down. So you cannot stand, at my age, you cannot stand up all of a sudden.
But can you stand up one part of your anatomy at a time? Molly, you're thinking what I'm thinking. And Patrick's, why's your face like that?
At my age, I need about 2 to 4 hours of rest.
No, you just slept overnight and then you need more rest?
No. What I mean to say is, if I sleep at 1, then by 5, pwede na.
Pwede na mag-what?
Gumising mo ba?
For the smaller part of the anatomy.
For the small Lingoy. Okay.
Before the bigger,
Kasi so Lingoy Jr. wakes up before Lingoy Sr. You learn from the guys here. There's something direct one. You two, ha?
No, they want to wake up, but the other one cannot stand up.
O sige.
The big one is too heavy, the small one is too light.
Okay, so that's the morning. O sige, what is your afternoon?
Morning.
Let's pakatay ko.
Hindi pa kompleto.
Ay, hindi mo pa. Diyos ko, sa mamula na ako ng Stuart.
Okay.
Okay.
The problem is how to put off the electric fan. I don't use
Electric fan?
I don't use aircon.
So, the electric fan.
Kasi when the electric fan is on, your bedmate has to cover herself.
Okay. It's morning.
It's morning! How can you relate?
Why not?
When the
then,
My secret is I sleep naked
okay,
and my partner sleeps naked also.
okay.
So, if you... Now, the other thing is this. When you see your aged partner,
Yung agent partner specifically,
You know the
okay?
cover up.
aged or if she's facing the other way,
O you listen next and then so you can refute. Oh,
your imagination can go wild there.
I want her back view.
Yeah.
You're not into camels and sheep by any chance, right?
Not that. But just,
Hindi.
wala pang connect. Just,
Wala pang connect. Sige.
eyeball pa lang.
Eyeball pala. Sige, okay.
Okay.
Oh, and then, okay ko si Linggoy. O, sige.
And then the other thing is to convince your partner that that she has rested also.
So you persuade.
No, you...
Convince na niya. Ay, force. Force. Pag-santo naman to, force.
Kasi walang makukuha sa dasalan.